This color is sick on this bad boy. That's nice. Oh yeah, she's smooth. Handlebars are wide on this bad boy. Oh yeah. I'm liking how this one feels as far as the seating position goes. Scout sounds good. Yeah, 116, boy. That thing pulls. Oh, so nice. And it barks. Bro, I mean, this is a big, heavy bike, and the fact that it just feels so light is insane. Obviously, once you get down low speeds, coming to a stop and whatnot, you start to feel the weight, but up at higher speeds, just tilting this thing back and forth, man, it's so nimble for what it is, it's actually kind of insane. Yeah, man, I like the Springfield so far, though, man. Like, these handlebars are pretty wide, but they don't sit super high. Feet are in a nice, comfortable position. I mean, put a little windscreen on this thing. I could see myself riding this for at least a couple hours. I think it's pretty comfy, man. Of course, I mean, that 116 just hits. Sounds good, it pulls good. That thing just absolutely barks. Yeah, man, when you're stopping, you feel the weight. But it's not too bad at all. Real simple. Fuel gauge, speedo, little gear indicator, fuel tank level. Nothing too crazy. You got your pretty typical standard Indian hand controls. Generally a pretty easy bike to operate. 116 absolutely sings, man. As far as big bikes go, the only things I can really compare this Springfield Dark Horse to would be the Super Chief Limited is probably the closest comparison I got, because that's kind of it's a big bagger, but it's not really a bagger, but you know, it's the one other big bike that's kind of similar to this that I've ridden. And then I rode the Challenger Limited today. But the Challenger has different engine. I believe that's one of the Power Plus. I don't remember which one. Whereas the Super Chief Limited I rode had this same 116 that's in this. And man, I love this 116. It's nasty. I mean, all of the Indian engines I'm a big fan of, but the big ones especially, man. I mean, they just absolutely eat. The styling on this Springfield Dark Horse is pretty sick too. Got the kind of a military green. I forgot what they call this green, but it's almost like a military green with nothing but black accents on it. I mean, pretty damn sexy bike. Plenty comfortable. Absolutely sounds incredible. Feels good riding it. I mean, it's just nice. This thing eats bumps nicely. I mean, it's got absolutely no problem hitting a bump. Turns nice too for a big boy, man. Very nice. Whoa! Such a good route for this ride here, man. Not a crazy amount of traffic around here. Decent views. Just a quality ride route here. And some absolutely wonderful bikes to be riding it on. I can't really say too much about the Springfield, man. I mean, if you've seen any of my reviews on Indian motorcycles, they're all phenomenal bikes. This one is no exception. One point I will make is that just like on the other big Indians, it doesn't feel nearly as heavy as it is. Goes down the road super smooth. 116 absolutely barks. Got great throttle response. For a big bike, it turns just wonderfully. Gotta slow it down a good amount to be able to hit that turn, you know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, but it turns nicely. It's got no problem leaning over a little bit. Oh yeah, she barks. That 116 just sounds so beefy, man. Real easy to find neutral. Yeah, I mean, that's nice. Nice clunks in the gear. I mean, the Indians are just quality bikes. I don't know what else to say about them. Wonderful bikes. Real easy to rev match on. I mean, you flick the throttle and it does what you need it to do. plenty of torque on tap out of this 116. I mean, this engine is an absolute beast. That throttle's gonna do what it's supposed to do, you know? We are almost back, man. Just about back. This is about the end of the ride of the Springfield Dark Horse, but yeah, I mean, awesome bike. I don't know really what else to say. This ain't no review or nothing like that, per usual. I'm just kind of letting y'all know how I feel riding it, and thing feels phenomenal, just like all of the Indians. We'll just put this bad boy right in the middle here. Put it up in neutral, and that'll be that. Springfield Dark Horse. That's a bad bitch right there, man. Oh yeah. Good looking bike, good riding bike. That's what we come to expect from Indian motorcycles. Appreciate y'all watching, man. Have yourself a good one.